feeling I'm gonna have to clean my vent to show you this one, because there's so many little pieces in this thing. So I'm gonna try to maneuver a spot here, because I got vice grips and more vice grips and more stuff, and a cheap pair of vice grips and another weird pair of vice grips and screwdrivers and all kinds of shit here. And a little machine and I almost dropped it on my toe. And I got my little crusty little crab here. It's, I don't know, is that a cockroach? I don't know, it's a sticker anyway. What I got for you here is, I don't know if this will even work. I don't know if I can get it to work. And in a moment I'll tell you why. I picked this up because I want to test it out. And I think it was 15 bucks. Why is there a spot on my screen here? Every time there's a black spot on my screen right about here, on my screen, it looks like the spot was right here. It looked like I had a goatee, and for a while it looked like I had a little mustache here. So anyway, I got this thing online, and I mostly want it for one reason only. It is a made in China little white box with wires in it. No, it's not. It is a turn signal kit for an ATV. And I'm probably going to have to get an ATV battery to do it anyway. And figure out how the hell this connects. This is a horn. Well, it even comes with a horn. Look at that. Horny. Okay, this goes, let's see. Is there even a wiring diagram in here? Lovely. I need to give you a diagram. Lovely. What is this? They don't even give you a schematic. What in the hell? Well, that's budget. So they give you this, which, see, there's left and right. Green is for a horn and red's for that. So I don't know. There's not even a schematic in here. I should probably. And this is a LED general flashing unit, 12 volt. So that's lovely. There's no. But there's these neat little flashers. So we got two here. I'm gonna have to set this up on a table somehow with a 12 volt. I have a power supply. They don't even give you enough wire to put this on here. Did I lose something here? That's not it. No. What am I missing? I'll buy another one, see what happens. So this goes on the handlebars. Left and right flasher, which is, I mostly want it for the flashers because it's hard to tell where the hell you're going on my bike. So this can go on the flashers. Left. That's all. I don't know what this is. What's the red button for? It's a horn. The red one is brake, I guess. There's these little clippity clip things. A little. See, these are good flashers. This is, I guess, is what? I don't know. I should get my power supply up and figure out which one's which. White ones. There's no freaking instructions. Like, what the hell? This is stupid. Maybe I lost them. I'm pretty sure I had instructions. I bet you I lost them. Took them out, looked at them, and lost them. Horn. There's no connector for the horn either. There's none. Nothing. But I think I will purchase another one and see what happens. But anyway, I have this. This is the thing I wanted. It seems pretty okay. Go on the bike somewhere to put your finger. And I was thinking on the rack, there's spots where the little reflectors go. If I put it on, make a little mount that's with a screw on it, I can kind of put in a metal plate with a bolt and then put it on there. Run all the wires down to the, run them along the tail lights. But I'm going to do this last because clearly I don't have any instructions for this now because stupid. This is really stupid. No instructions. Comes with the horn. I think they're, it doesn't surprise me. They're like what? They're like $12, $19 these things if you're lucky. You can spend mucho bucks on these, but half of them are all the same thing. But I wanted the little lights because you can drill a hole, figure out what size this is, drill a hole, pop it into a plate, and make a little mounting plate for them, but I don't know what the hell these white ones are for. Like, is that a brake light or what? I gotta get a power supply for this. So I'm gonna put it all back in the box and see what happens. Oh well, this is supposed to be a joyous video where we would both sit here and learn something, but apparently it's not gonna happen that way because I don't have instructions for this. What a wonderful video. Oh, you're killing it, Chris. You're killing it. You're killing it. So anyway, this is my scrappy video of my light switch thing here. Comes in a little white box. I'm going to probably bitch and complain to them and tell them I don't got any instructions for this. I'm pretty sure it's on their Amazon thing, so I'm going to have to go on there. I'm going to have to go on there and download a photo of it. But it comes in a little white box, and it comes with no instructions, and it's cheap. So yeah. And that's it really. That's all I got for now. Thanks for watching. Toodles.